Yeah, hi guys. Today in our channel, Piyush Kumar, who is currently working as a software development engineer in Rupeek, and he's a good experienced candidate. He catcher of his internship from college to fresher level, and he became as a full-time on-roll position also in Rupeek. And today here we will discuss the entire selection process and how the interview is going on and what is the internal technical rounds. And as well, we will discuss here is internal details, which are the growth level in the Rupeek or comes to. We will discuss here basic the finance knowledge about the how the recruitment process basically going on and how many days after you will get the all rounds and offer letter process. Everything here we will discuss. Thank you, Piyush, for joining here, giving this opportunity for our channel subscribers purpose.
Mhm.
Please, can you introduce yourself and that we can know that key you are from and basically end-to-end process. Yeah,
Okay,
thank
so hi. Basically, I also like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. So let's start with my introduction. So my name is Piyush Kumar. I recently graduated from Army Institute of Technology, Pune in 2025 only. And more about me is basically I am native of Patna, Bihar, and talking about my working experience. So the last working experience currently I am SDE1 at Rupeek. Earlier for 5 to 6 months I was as an intern here at Rupeek only. Before that I have done some internships at Tripler. So basically Tripler it is means there also I worked for almost 3 to 4 months as an intern only. And
Okay.
then
Okay.
uh,
Yeah.
and one
Piyush.
more.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
King. Continue.
And one more company is Primus Spot. So basically, there also I was working in AI ML domain. So there I have worked for like 2 3 months there also as an intern only.
Okay, please, Piyush, or we need more details about your day-to-day task. What your internal task when you are joined as a SD at Rupeek? While in the internship, what are the tasks given by you? Please, can you elaborate a little bit more about that?
So basically at Rupeek, so there is no any specific thing like in my team or in other teams also like you have to focus specifically on like backend or front end. So talking specifically about me, so I when I joined, so I have worked on creating testing modules like there is a service. So for that means I have added some test cases like unit testing. So I initially started with doing unit testing, then I move. I have like basically I work on personal loan and cards team I am. So basically I worked on their UI and UX.
Okay.
Then moving forward, like currently I am also working in their backend part like the loan application and different domain, how personal loan flow whole works. So in Rupik, you will not be stuck in a particular domain like you have to keep doing front end, front end, front end. You will be giving enough opportunities to work on front end, back end, to deployment also. So you will get opportunities to work on different deployment like Grafana and
Okay.
uh,
Thank you
Jenkins.
on the better. Next, here we will go through the your. Could you describe how many rounds and how you got this opportunity? Please, can you elaborate about the recruitment process, basically how you applied and how you when you got the first assessment? Please, yeah, go ahead.
So the rupee process was means initially it started with like I saw a post on LinkedIn. So I was going through LinkedIn, I was searching for some good opportunities. So I got HR post on LinkedIn, so I applied through that only. After applying, after like 1 week or two, I got an OA link, and after giving OA, so it have multiple uh, questions about DSA, DBMS and all. After means qualifying that, like after in a week only, I got call from the HR, and after
Okay.
getting call, so she asked me, so we can schedule your interview when you are available. Accordingly, she scheduled me first interview, and
कितने
first
राउंड का
interview.
टेक्निकल राउंड हो रहा था? How many rounds actually?
So basically, they take two technical rounds.
Okay.
The first technical round is a full DSA based round. Mainly, they will focus on your DSA skills. Like you have to solve all the questions which they give in DSA, from optimized approach to brute force approach. And after that, in the second round, it's a techno managerial round. So it is taken by mainly by your manager only. In
Okay.
that
Your
round,
reporting manager might understand.
yeah. So they basically ask you the technical questions like from your resume only.
Okay,
So
which
in
kind
my,
of questions majorly we can expect ki abhi from the DSA you said earlier, from
yeah,
which are the trees, grabs or DB or strings, like
okay.
majorly कौन सी पे questions आएगा majorly?
So basically, you can get questions from tree, linked list. You should be very good in linked list. So in linked list only, if I get into more details, you have to solve like cycle detection or reverse a linked list. Like like in tree also, you can like reverse, I mean DST or tree traversal like questions, and in string like sliding window problems. Means these all type of pattern you should have in your mind. Then only you will be able
Okay.
to solve this
Yeah.
problem.
Got it. You earlier said ki first we will get a OA assessment.
Yeah,
Once it's complete within 1 or 2 weeks, you will get a call from the HR team for the next
yeah,
technical rounds purpose.
yeah.
Whenever
Mhm.
you are available, they will conduct the initial first round and second technical rounds. And one thing, let me know, Abhi, suppose you are attending the interview while they are asking you the questions live, they are giving you any compile to do the live coding. That is the major questions actually, all of the vendors want to know.
Mhm. So basically, means they have not given me any compiler. They do like I personally have been asked question of linked list. So in the linked list, if they have provided any compiler, so basically the structure of linked list is there. But Rupeek wants you to know in-depth knowledge of how a linked list works, what is in their class. So basically, they have provided me with a notepad. In that notepad, you have to like if any question is asked on tree or linked list, you have to start with means declaring the class for linked list. Then further you have to solve the question. So basically, they do it in notepad, not in any compiler.
Okay, understand. Might you got the notepad directly, you have to written the all codes while you're
Yeah,
attending.
yeah.
Okay. Next, let me know, how many days within you got the offer letter and what is your internship stipend? Yeah, once you
Okay.
got shortlisted.
So after my second interview, I think in 3, 4 days, I got to know that in the evening around 6 or 7, I got the mail after 2, 3 days that
Okay.
means share your documents and you have been selected for Technocrat. And after sharing the documents on the first Monday only, I got the my
Okay,
offer
upcoming
letter.
Monday you
And
have
yeah,
onboarded directly. And
yeah.
please let me know as the internship stipend, how much you are getting there.
So the internship stipend was 25K.
Okay, thank you. Next, and once you got shortlisted and you have done the internship, how you got full-time conversion and what was the training period and team collaboration, mentorship कैसा है रूपीक में? Please, can you little bit more about that? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So the mentorship here is really good. So basically, they really provide you a lot of support. Like whenever you stuck, you have your mentors. When you will join, you will be assigned a particular mentor. With your mentor, you can discuss anything like your personal issue. Any issue you face, any technical issue, anything you are facing inside the Rupee, you can discuss with him. If it is not solved by your mentor, you can then reach out to your reporting manager. Yeah, we have your reporting manager. You can discuss with him. Means there is a very good culture in Rupee, so you can discuss all around. There are different team members, and there means in different teams collaboration is also very good in Rupee. Means if you like wanted to reach out to different team, you can just go and talk to him. They will really help you in solving any problem. So there is no any specific that you have to talk with your team only. Means in Rupik, we have a very good culture. You can go in any team. You can ask what is there. If they are using any other technology and you wanted to learn, you can go and ask your doubts. Everyone here will help you. And
Okay. Yeah.
talking about my conversion. So basically, after like my process was like after like completing 4 months of internship, I got email from the HR regarding I have to give one PPT. The PPT like I have to means
Yeah,
like
it's
tell
okay.
what.
Understand. You got initially 4 to 5 months after your basis your performance, you got converted.
Yeah.
Okay. And let me know what is your biggest challenge you have faced since joining while you are internship. Any, please, can you?
So nothing like biggest challenge like that means I think for me everything was good there means this was the one of the best opportunities I have got as a fresher, and I really very happy
Okay.
that I got this a good start because working in Rupeek is really great.
Okay, I understand. And can you more about give some tips who are currently looking to join in the Rupik SD role and where they have to more focus, like the 3 to 5 tips you can elaborate them, which are the like websites or books or courses they have to make focus, and which are the languages like you already know where they have to focus algorithms or system design or the domain knowledge they have to focus. Please, can you little bit, yeah, more about that?
So, talking about the some of the helpful resources from where I have prepared. So you have to keep solving problems in lead code. You can go with GFG if you stuck in any algorithm you want need some understandings. You can refer to GFG. And for I also if I face any issue or I have to refer any algorithms, so I basically follow Striver. So Striver is a channel in YouTube take you forward. You can go and learn that. And you have to keep doing both the DSA part and the development part. For development part, basically, in my time, I have learned Flutter and different backend systems. So for that, you can go with LubBuffer if you have to like learn JavaScript and all. So basically, in Rupeek also, I am basically using JavaScript, TypeScript for that. One of the best courses is Namaste JavaScript in that you will get very good knowledge from how JavaScript works, everything. So I will really recommend Namaste JavaScript for that. And talking about the basically I have given interview in Rupeek is basically of SDE intern. So that time the major focus was on DSA only.
Okay.
But there can be different
Then,
you that
how much weight you can give the DSA or system design or domain knowledge? You can within the 100, you can elaborate it like how
so
much
you
percentage?
for you have to give 50% weightage to algorithm because one round is basically for algorithms only for DSA only,
Okay.
and domain-based knowledge and your development knowledge, what you have written, you have to very good at what you have written in your resume. You should know
Okay.
everything. You cannot just write and forget what you have to know every each and every line what you have
Okay.
written
Then
in your
properly you
resume.
have to, which are the details you maintain in the resume? These are the question only you will get on that basis
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
Okay.
So in
Majorly
the
we have
same,
to focus on the DSA. What your from your
uh,
side? What you?
that means major DSA, but you have to be good in domain knowledge also. You have to do the development also.
Okay.
Then only it will be better because in second round you will be asked about your project, the in-depth knowledge why you have written this code. This is also possible that your project GitHub will be opened and you have been asked what basically this function is doing. So
Understand.
if you don't know what you have done in your project, then it will be difficult for you to tell.
Understand. Okay, Piyush, thank you for this most likely from basis and interview. And you've given a lot of tips for the who is currently looking for the joining in Rupik SD role.
Yeah.
Might they have good knowledge about the and they can become prepared for this, which are the you already said ki we have to focus more about DSA and other system design and development, and we have to build the resume making properly, and there only you will get the question. These are the tips you've given that. I thank you for that, Piyush, and for yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.